Hello people. The Samsung Galaxy A8 is the latest mid to high-end smartphone from the South Korean firm, sliding in below the flagship S series and offering a strong camera experience and large, colorful display. Launched just before CES 2018, but shown off for the first time at the show, it features a 5.6-inch, Full HD Super AMOLED display, 4GB of RAM, 32GB of internal storage, 16-megapixel rear camera, dual front cameras and a 3000 capacity of battery. There's currently no word on the Samsung Galaxy A8 release date and price, but we'll update this hands-on review as soon as we know more. The Galaxy A8 takes design cues from the flagship Galaxy S8, although you'll note that it doesn't have the same bezel-less infinity display as its more costly sibling. Bezels have been kept relatively thin though, with the A8's body measuring 149.2 by 70.6 by 8.4 mm. Coupled with curved rear edges, the Galaxy A8 sits nicely in the palm and doesn't feel too overbearing. The glass front and rear, and metal frame, give the Galaxy A8 a premium look, but in the hand the back of the device doesn't feel as premium as the finish on the Galaxy S8. Samsung has used a cheaper finish and it is noticeable, but it's not really a problem. There's a power lock key on the right, and a volume rocker on the left, both of which fall nicely under thumb and finger. Something that's not quite as well placed is the fingerprint scanner. Yep, that's right, Samsung's continued obsession for poor digit reader placement again rears its head here. The Samsung Galaxy A8 packs a 5.6-inch Full HD Super AMOLED display with an 18:9 aspect ratio and 1080 by 2220 resolution. While it doesn't have the same curved edges as the flagship S8, the Galaxy A8 still utilizes Samsung's Infinity Display technology, which helps keep bezels in check. They could be slimmer though, and looking at the edge-to-edge screen Sony has put on the new Xperia X8 and Xperia X8 Ultra, it feels like there's more room for improvement here. It's bright, colorful and punchy, making it great for movie marathons and lengthy gaming sessions. The Samsung Galaxy A8 features 3 cameras. There's a single 16-megapixel f1.7 snapper on the back, while on the front you'll find both a 16-megapixel camera alongside an 8-megapixel sensor. Fiercely, the rear camera is a solid offering that's capable of snapping detailed shots, even in the low light of our test environment. We were able to capture detailed, well-lit shots in a variety of lighting and scene scenarios, with auto mode doing a good job of judging our surroundings and tweaking the necessary settings. On the front, and the 2 cameras work together to offer the blurred background effect that Samsung's calls live focus. It was first introduced on the Galaxy S8, and it's good to see the technology cascading down the price tiers. The Samsung Galaxy A8 comes with an octa-core Exynos 7885 chipset and 4GB of RAM, giving you a decent slug of power under the hood. During our brief time with the handset, we found that it wasn't the snappiest performer for general navigation, multitasking and app opening speeds, but it may not be final software and we hope it gets a boost before it comes to market. It's in charge of running Android 7.1.1 Nougat, which isn't the latest version of Google's operating system, and that's a real shame as Android 8 Oreo has been out for several months now and rivals are launching phones with it on. Meanwhile the battery is a reasonable size at 3000, which is the same size as the power pack found inside the Galaxy S8. The Samsung Galaxy A8 is a solid smartphone. While it doesn't break any new ground in terms of technology, it has a solid feature set and a premium look which may well tempt those looking for a high-end handset but can't stretch to the price tag of the Galaxy S8.